Artoonza.
Warning, this blue dog paw is too cute to handle. Get ready to bark, squeal, and maybe faint from the sparkle overload. We're drawing it with black markers, bedazzling it with glitter, and then... oh no, our tiny vacuum has entered drama queen mode again. After that, we add magical color drops with paint injections and brush everything into fluffy perfection. Stick around, because this paw is bringing cuteness with a capital woof. Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color, Blue? Let's color together.
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. That's not a brush stroke. That's a bark stroke. Don't be shy, color high. This is better. Color, color, color. I swear this paw just looked at me with puppy eyes. This is so amazing. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.